Good morning students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, reading maps. Now you can see a picture here. Follow the route. Rajiv walks straight from his house. At the first crossing, he takes a left turn and walks straight. At the second crossing, he finds a milk booth to his left. Here he takes a right turn. He goes straight and takes the first turn to the left to reach the park. This is the route from Rajiv's house to the park. Similarly, we are going to solve the next exercise, that is 4.3. Next we are going to solve exercise 4.3. The first problem is, look at the map showing Arun's neighborhood. You can see the map here. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. To reach the post office, Arun should walk towards the north from his house. You can see the directions in the map. Follow the directions. Arun should walk towards the north from his house and then turn left. He is going to reach post office, so he has to turn left and walk straight and turn right. Finally, he should walk straight till he reach the post office. First, he has to turn left and then walk straight and then turn right to reach the post office. The next problem, Arun wants to go to shopping. To reach the market, he should walk towards the north from his house. From Arun's house, he is going to market. To reach the market, he should walk towards the north from his house and turn right. Walk straight and then take a left turn. Finally, he should walk straightly till he reach the market. This is the route from Arun's house to market. First, he has to turn right from his house and then take a left turn to reach the market. Next problem. C will be assignment for you. Arun is at the school. He walks out of the gate and turns right taking a few steps. He walks straight and turns right again. He continues on the straight path and turns right at the second crossing. Where does he reach? He will reach hospital. This is the direction that is given for Arun to reach hospital from the school. Next. The school is to the north of the post office. Is it true or false? You can see the directions in the map. School is to the north of the post office, which is false. School is to the west of the post office. So, the statement is false. To the west of the post office, we can see the school. So, the statement is false. The next question. The park is to the south of the hospital. Is the statement true or false? The park is to the south of the hospital. You can see the direction in the map. So the statement is true. G will be assignment for you. The next question is study the map of Kolkata and answer the question. The first question is circle the following areas on the map. SSKM Hospital and Nico Park. If you are having your book, take your book and circle the areas SSKM Hospital and Nico Park. The next question is which is the northernmost hotel in the city? You can see the key. Hotels are represented with the star. So look at the star which is northmost. You can see that Ashoka Hotel is the northmost hotel. So the answer is Ashoka. The next question is name any tourist places to the south of Lal Digni. Direction is not given in the map, so take your book and draw the directions. Tourist place to the south of Lal Digni is we have Shahid Minar, and MP Birla Planetarium. The next question is Mizarpur is to the dash of the Eden Gardens. That is, first locate Eden Gardens and with the help of direction you can see that Mizarpur is to the west of Eden Gardens. So the answer is west. The next question is Rabindra Sarovar is to the dash of the Golden Park. First you have to look at the Golden Park in the map. You can see that Rabindra Sarovar is to the south of the Golden Park. So the answer is south. The next question is assume that 1 centimeter on the map represents 800 meter on the ground. Use a ruler to find the estimated distance between the following. 1 centimeter is given as 800 meter. We are going to find the distance between Eden Gardens and Fort William. You take your scale and measure the distance between Eden Garden and Fort William. You will get the answer as 0.7 centimeter. For 1 centimeter it is 800 meter. Then for 0.7 centimeter we have to multiply 0.7 centimeter into 800 meter. That is, this will be the actual distance. We have to multiply 0.7 into 800. 7 into 0 is 7, again 7 into 0 is 7, 7 into 8 is 56, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, again 0 into 8 is also 0. We have to add these two rows. 0, 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 0 is 5. You can see that after the decimal point we have one place. So we have to keep a place value before one place. So the answer is 560 meter. But we have to estimate the distance. So the estimated distance is the answer is 560 meter. We have to estimate the distance. You can see that 6 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to 5 and put 0 in the 6th place. 6th place, that is in the 10th place we have to put 0. So the estimated distance is 600 meter. We have rounded off 560 as 600 meter. Next we have to find, now we are going to find the distance between Shahid Minar and Marble Palace. Take your scale and measure the distance between Shahid Minar and Marble Palace. The distance will be 1.5 centimeter. In the scale it is given as 1 centimeter equal to 800 meter. Then actual distance is 800 into 1.5 centimeter. Five into 0 is 0, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 8 is 40, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 8 is 8. We are going to add them. 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 4 is 12. We have to place decimal before one place, because before one place we are having a decimal here. So before one place we have to keep a decimal in answer also. So the actual distance is 1200 meter. Estimated distance will also, we have to round off 1200. 2 is less than 5. So we have to change it as 0 and keep the rounding place as it is. So the estimated distance is 1000 meter. We have to round off 1200 meter. So we have rounded off as 1000 meter. So the answer is 1000. Thank you, students.